India and Pakistan once again clashed at the United Nations, with New Delhi delivering a sharp response after Islamabad raised the Kashmir issue. Speaking at the UN Human Rights Council, India's first secretary to the UN, Anupama Singh, said Jammu and Kashmir was, is, and will always remain an integral part of India. She stated that the only unresolved issue was Pakistan's illegal occupation of Indian territory. India also accused Pakistan of supporting terrorism. Singh said Pakistan's own defense minister had publicly spoken about hosting and training terrorists. She described Pakistan as a Frankenstein state that was shocked when its own monster turned against it. Referring to recent unrest in Pakistan-occupied Kashmir, she said that decades of repression, military land grabs, and denial of basic rights had led to growing public anger. She cited the recent Rawalkot protest, where 11 people, including 4 police personnel, were killed. India also retaliated its stand on the Indus Waters Treaty. Singh said a treaty signed in 1960 could not remain frozen in time despite major changes over 6 decades. She added that a country accused of exporting terrorism could not expect the benefits of cooperation based on goodwill. The remarks came as India exercised its right to reply after Pakistan raised Jammu and Kashmir at the UN forum.